Tesla, the pioneering electric vehicle (EV) manufacturer, has recently found itself in the spotlight due to a brake safety issue affecting a significant number of its newer model vehicles. The recall, which encompasses 54676 Model X vehicles manufactured between 2021 and 2023, was prompted by concerns related to brake fluid detection. In this video, we will delve into the details of this brake safety crisis, examining the issue itself, Tesla's response, the importance of prompt action, potential implications for both Tesla and the broader EV industry, and the significance of safety measures in electric vehicles. The brake safety issue. The brake safety issue at the heart of this crisis pertains to the failure of Tesla's Model X vehicles to comply with the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard No. 135, which governs light vehicle brake systems. The specific problem revolves around the detection of low brake fluid levels. The vehicles, as reported by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, do not adequately inform the driver of low brake fluid levels, consequently jeopardizing braking performance and elevating the risk of potential collisions. It is essential to underline that, as of October 10, 2023, no accidents, injuries, or fatalities have been associated with this brake safety issue. This fortunate outcome reflects the absence of real-world consequences up to this point. Software update solution. Tesla has responded to the brake safety issue affecting its Model X vehicles with a proactive and innovative solution, a free over-the-air software update. This update addresses the problem of the vehicle controller failing to detect low brake fluid and not displaying a warning light. By providing this update, Tesla is not only resolving the safety concern efficiently but also showcasing the power of technology to enhance vehicle safety. This approach minimizes inconvenience for customers and demonstrates Tesla's dedication to ensuring the well-being of its vehicle owners. Tesla's response, the recall. In response to the brake safety issue affecting its 2021 to 2023 Model X vehicles, Tesla has taken decisive action by initiating a recall. This recall, encompassing nearly 55,000 newer model vehicles, demonstrates Tesla's commitment to the safety and satisfaction of its customers. Importantly, Tesla has not reported any incidents of crashes, injuries, or fatalities associated with the issue, showcasing the proactive nature of this recall. Furthermore, Tesla has gone the extra mile by providing a free over-the-air software update to resolve the problem promptly. This dual approach of issuing a recall and offering a software solution reflects Tesla's dedication to addressing safety concerns efficiently and effectively. The recall process is expected to include owner notification letters to be mailed on December 12, 2023, ensuring timely communication with affected customers. Importance of prompt action. The brake safety issue in Tesla's Model X vehicles underscores the significance of prompt action when it comes to addressing safety concerns in the automotive industry. The potential risk associated with driving a vehicle with low brake fluid is substantial, as it can directly impact braking performance, a critical aspect of road safety. Tesla's swift response, involving both a recall and the release of a software update, is commendable. It showcases the company's dedication to safety and customer satisfaction. The importance of acting promptly in the face of safety issues cannot be overstated, as even minor delays can potentially lead to catastrophic consequences. Implications for Tesla and the EV industry. The recall of nearly 55,000 Tesla Model X vehicles due to the brake safety issue may have significant implications for both Tesla and the broader electric vehicle industry. Tesla has long been a leader in the EV market, setting trends and driving innovation. However, any safety issues with its vehicles could potentially impact consumer confidence in electric vehicles as a whole. The immediate response by Tesla, including the deployment of a software update, is likely to help mitigate the negative impact on the company and the EV industry. It demonstrates the company's commitment to safety and its ability to address issues efficiently. This quick and decisive action may serve as a blueprint for other manufacturers, enhancing safety protocols across the EV landscape and reinforcing consumer trust in the industry. Customer reactions and feedback. As of the time of this video, There is limited information available regarding customer reactions and feedback regarding the recall of nearly 55,000 Tesla Model X vehicles due to the brake fluid detection issue. It is essential to consider the response of affected customers, as their experiences and opinions will provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of Tesla's recall process and its communication with its customer base. Safety measures in electric vehicles. Electric vehicles, like their internal combustion engine counterparts, must meet rigorous safety standards set by regulatory bodies. In the case of Tesla's Model X recall, the vehicles were found to be non-compliant with Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard No. 135, which focuses on brake systems. This highlights the critical importance of manufacturers adhering to safety standards, regardless of whether the vehicle is electric or gasoline-powered. While electric vehicles offer unique safety features, such as regenerative braking, which can enhance energy efficiency and braking performance, they also pose distinct safety concerns. One of the significant concerns with electric vehicles is the risk of battery fires in the event of a crash. Manufacturers must ensure that their vehicles not only meet existing safety standards but also address these unique safety challenges promptly and effectively. The brake safety crisis that has affected Tesla's Model X vehicles is a reminder of the ongoing commitment to safety and continuous improvement that is necessary in the automotive industry. Tesla's response to this issue, including a recall and a free over-the-air software update, underscores the importance of acting promptly and effectively in addressing safety concerns. It may also serve as a model for the industry, helping to bolster consumer confidence in electric vehicles. As the electric vehicle market continues to evolve, ensuring safety standards are met and addressing unique safety challenges will remain paramount. While challenges and recalls are inevitable in any industry, it is how companies respond to them that truly matters. Tesla's actions in response to the brake safety issue highlight the potential of technology and commitment to safety in shaping the future of electric vehicles.